power curve. We can run the power curve on here and see how this regression looks. Let's do it. 96% R squared. Incredible R squared. Power curve allows us to project out. Let's go out to the end of the decade. You'll remember that the price projected out to the end of 2030 is something like $600,000 at the moment. 600,000. That's a market cap of 15 trillion. Now, this is actually a different way to triangulate it. I'm not taking the price times supply in this analysis. I'm just running a straight regression on the prior market caps. Keep that in mind. So 15.8 trillion is the market cap regression. Not even going to look at the 1 sigma, 2 sigma moves here, just 15 trillion. All right. Let's take it out a little bit farther to the end of, this would be 3 more halvings from now, even, or from last year, to the end of 2020, to the end of 2033. Okay. Where do we take it now? What's the market cap? 35 trillion. 35 trillion. Again, it could be way up here, way below. But this is the trend line. We're right on trend at the moment. Right on trend for the power curve, which in itself is a rare event. To be right on trend, to sit on the trend line doesn't happen too often. Keep that in mind. Usually we blow through it or back under it. Rarely do we sit on it, which is interesting. Maybe we will sit on it for a while. I don't know. I don't know. 35 trillion, $35 trillion, still lower than today's monetary base plus gold. Today's monetary base plus gold, 41 trillion, $41 trillion equivalent. Supply and demand. This is just a supply side look at the data. Taking Bitcoin out on its very, very strong 96% R squared power curve only gets you to 35 trillion by the end of 2033. I'm not saying I know the future. I'm not saying it's going to be a calm, smooth ride. I think we all don't expect that. But if you do take a deep breath and you look at the major trends of how these things work, they just grow exponentially. This stuff grows exponentially. This, Bitcoin, grows in power. And we have to just see how that growth rate shakes out, see how it will meet.